just because you are talking on the patience and you are talking about the phases that you control your emotions and you control your feet and gear. सर कैसे आप ये मैनेज कर लेते हो? मतलब इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट. ये बहुत इजी होता है बोलना बोलना कि मैंने 10 साल स्टॉक होल्ड किया. यहाँ पे 2 साल 3 साल में वेल्थ बन जाता है तो ऊपर से नीचे सब लोग हिलने लग जाते हैं, राइट? एंड थोड़ा सा भी स्टॉक अगर एक दिन 10% गिर जाता है या 20% गिर जाता है तो किसी को समझ नहीं आता कि अभी करना क्या है. सो आई थिंक जो एग्जांपल आपने दिया है और 10 साल का जो जर्नी बताया, आई थिंक दिस इज रियली वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मेडिसिन वन कैन टेक टू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ पेशेंस? इफ यू हैव दैट मेडिसिन, प्लीज लेट मी नो सो दैट it will definitely help everyone.
Yeah, Rishi, we all learn from our mistakes, and buying into a stock and then selling it out for a quick gain over a short period of time. And then when you see that stock has gone up, like, you made a 10% return in less than 10 days, but then when you see it going 10 times from that price at which you have sold, it hurts you internally in case, you miss the opportunity. So I think it is patience, it is experience, it is understanding. The most important point is to differentiate between price and value. If you start looking at the value in the company and the business, the management, and understanding the business opportunity that the company presents, I think this is very, very important to understand the opportunity size in the business itself. If we start understanding that and the journey which the company can achieve over a period of time without looking at the stock price. So if you keep stock price on one side and not look at that and look at the other aspects which are very, very important, I think that's when you learn and you improvise and you still walk on that path. So saying is one thing, practicing is difficult, and maybe it's the right kind of people that you associate with, you interact with, you talk with, and then you realize that so much of wealth can be made. It's been part of me with the Inam Group, and that has been the culture of Inam Group of being an investor for a long period of time, understanding the business dynamics, and that is where I think the differentiation can be important. So being lucky to be there, and I'm more than lucky that can share with all of you and also interact with all of you over a period of time so that more can be done for each one of us.
Thank you for your thanks for your inputs. So basically, it's really difficult, and hats off to you that you're talking such a long journey and you have delivered good returns in your long journey also. And I'm really happy to share with everyone that if you have the patience, सर ने मेडिसिन तो नहीं दिया बट सर ने अपना लर्निंग एंड एक्सपीरियंस हमारे साथ शेयर किया है. सो इफ एवरीवन कैन हैव एटलीस्ट सम पेशेंस एंड some emotions and some discipline can be kept, I think wealth can be created in equity markets. That is for sure. Sir, पहले क्या होता था कि पहले time duration was different. Now the markets are behaving different. So in between there is एक और चीज पूछना था. So this long term of 10 years, do you think that it will remain same long term of 10 years, or now it has shortened down that period of 3 to 5 years because of the corporate governance, because of the market dynamics? So what is your input on that, sir?
Yeah, Rishi, I think businesses are evolving very fast. New businesses are coming. Technology is becoming as very, very important ingredient in the business, which can really disturb your business hypothesis overnight. And we have seen in the pandemic situation also that a lot of companies might not survive this period as well. So what is also there is that the life cycle of the business are shortening, but at the same time the return which can come through in those business is also increasing in that period. What I'm trying to say is that because the life cycle has shrunk, let's say from 20-30 years to 10 or 15 years, right, then the growth journey which would have come over a 20-year period of time is also coming in a lesser duration of 10 years. Okay. So the price appreciation also happens faster in that period. What was achievable over a 20-year period in terms of price appreciation happens in a lesser duration of 10 years. So where you are positioning yourself, what kind of life cycle of the business the company is going through, and at which stage you are entering the business itself will decide your return. So I think yes, it is shortening, but at the same time you need to be more vigilant, more open. You need to think of things which were not part of the traditional, Benjamin Graham theory of investing, of a pure margin of safety or pure, buying at lesser than the intrinsic value, etc. You need to
Hmm.
understand the competition dynamics as to from where things can come. So just to give an example, when we talk about the steel industry, we all think in terms of the kind of, steel prices and selling which can come from China. But to my mind, one of the most important point in steel industry is the increased application from aluminum alloys in petrochemicals, cannibalizing the application of steel itself. So wherever steel was being used in an automobile, for example, that is now being used by aluminum alloys and petrochemicals. So there are petrochemical composites which are so strong than steel, and they are even lighter than steel. So the cars are now using more of petrochemical compounds and aluminum cast alloy products in their entire application. So
Okay.
overall, the market for steel is perhaps, getting diminished to that extent because there are other alternates which are just coming from outside. So this is just one example in terms of how you need to see at sectors, how you need to understand the dynamics, and from where what can come and can disturb your entire hypothesis of business. So I think that is getting more importance, and that's the way we have to look at things and evaluate things, rather than the traditional matrix of just margin of safety and patience and stuff like that. Meaning, as I stated in the example of Astral Poly, it was actually the opportunity of eating into the market of galvanized iron pipes, which created Astral Poly, right?
True.
So that is how the returns came for Astral Poly, or maybe an Ashirvad, and others then followed it similarly. So we have to see how the business dynamics are changing and how vigilant one can be to participate in that changing dynamics and moving from one company to another. So duration is shorter, but in that same short duration, the returns will be there, which will be even more than what it was in that long journey of investing. So I think that's one of the things to understand, Rishi.